Hey, we are here in Elgin, Dave Cook DeFranco Painting Wallpaper, and Anthony's inside. He is repainting cherry cabinets. Let's go take a look, see what he's doing. Let's go! All right, well, we are inside. Anthony is plugging away, putting some doors on. He's been spraying. These were cherry cabinets, now painted white. I think it was simply white or pure white. I don't remember. It's white, but they're no longer cherry. So Anthony right now, he got them all sprayed. So he is putting on new hinges. So it had the old hinges, which are the basically cheap ones that come with the home that snap close as soon as you put on, these snap. So he's putting on soft close hinges now that we got through Menards. Installing those, making sure those are level, and then also we added new handles. They don't have the knobs, but we have the new handles. So he's putting handles on, new hinges, and then, yeah, brand new kitchen. The only thing they'll have to wait for is the knobs when it's done. So everything got sprayed with sticks as far as primer, and then top coat this time we used Evo, I believe, because it was a Benjamin Moore color that we picked. So that is what this job was. Cherry cabinets painted white, and we're here in Elgin. So whole subdivision, I'm sure, has pretty close to the same type of cabinets. So looking forward to seeing other people. If you got questions on changing out hardware, changing out hinges, painting your cherry oak maple cabinets, let us know. Love to say we can help you love the space you're in with repainted kitchen cabinets. Hope you guys have a great day, and God bless.